Hello, kind people. Yeah. My name is Angie Zulay Perales Sanchez, and she is Licenia Sanchez. She is my mother. She is middle-aged. She has black eyes. She has long and curly hair. She is medium height. She is living in Hereford. He is Aníbal Guerrero Mantilla. He is my stepfather. He is middle-aged. He has brown eyes. She has straight brown out hair. He is tall. He is 172 meters tall. He is thin. He is funny and outgoing. She is Lina Marcela. She is my sister. My sister is talkative person, but is very friendly. She is young and has the black age. She is stature and is slender. I love her because she is only sister. She is Vinny Pastrana. My best friend name is Vinny. We have been friends for more than years. She is a doctor. She is young and gingers. Her age are pink and brown. She has long and curly hair. She is tall. She is slim and when I met her for the first time, I thought she was serious, but that was not true. She is so funny. Thank you so much. Bye.